it's nice to know that if I ever have to take a dump while I'm out, you'll let me come use your patio. I don't want to think about what you do with that patio when nobody's looking. You even call it Barry's Piss and Shit patio. Are you too stuck up to let your guests use the inside toilet? Or maybe you wrecked that toilet after eating all those fillet of fishes and you're embarrassed. Sell me your soul, Adam. I never bought 3,000.
Yo, wait. Record yourself doing this in slow motion.
Ayo, the person who sent you this wants you to know.
We need to get the gang together.
Gas, no Pepto.
I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that.
Let me see you. Shawty got a big old booty. Yeah. Twerk. Yeah. Take that ass. Twerk. Yeah. Let me. And she gon' twerk. Shawty got a big old booty. Let me. Let me.
They said Doja hits so sticky, I said thank you very much.
That the whole world over. It says thank you very much. Vote. 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 You've got a banging body. Your body is so sexy. You have taken a terrible hair dye job. Just to level the playing field. I mean, imagine a Greek god statue, but with frosted tips. Not that I've ever seen a good hair dye job on a middle-aged man. Clearly your hairstylist is trying to humble you. Excuse me.
You like that cool trick I have? Oh. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Fuck. It's just the fucking beer. Gives me a lot of gas. Nothing is quite refreshing like a good old beer. Oh, don't be such a fucking bitch. I know you think this is cool. How'd you like that? Was that disgusting?
A, B, C.
But I do. If you aren't expected to say excuse me, then I shouldn't have to either. Yeah, totally. Oh my god.
Watercolor.
Oh god, excuse me. Yes, I'm really excited to talk to you about this job. I'm so sorry.
Excuse me. I really can't help it.
Oh god. Oh god. Que hora?
Yes. Hoy tomamos el autobús.
Oh shit. My bad.
I really can't stop.
Oh my god. Oh shit, I'm so...
Oh, sorry.
Oh fuck. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Fuck. Oh fuck. Oh. Oh my god, I can't fucking believe I forgot my medication.
What is it with all the popcorn buckets and detailing equipment? Littering your house? Is it to give the illusion that you have a social life? And no cars? We get it. You're a bachelor. But you could clean up every now and then. At least try to use the detailing equipment from time to time. At least you didn't get a car detailing tattoo. You're literally the only person who loves McDonald's. Filet of fish. Why eat them for every meal? I heard it's the closest you get to ever going down on a woman. Is that true? I mean, you could get the same effect if you went to Arby's every once in a while. You've got a banging body. Your body is so sexy. You have to get a terrible hair dye job just to level the playing field. I mean, imagine a Greek god statue, but with frosted tips. Not that I've ever seen a good hair dye job on a middle-aged man. Clearly your hairstylist is trying to humble you.
Hey Perry, you're just so handsome. I really wanted to get to know more about you. And well,
You really snowboarded twice. 20 years ago. You got a snowboarder tattoo. I've been in the same room as a guitar. You don't see me with a guitar tattoo.